vowel letter sounds, it's time to learn the consonant letter sounds. There are 21 consonants, and we are going to learn the sounds of 10 of them first. So let's get ready to go.
Yay!
I'm going to say each sound 4 times. Then you will say them after me. Are you ready?
Yes, we are!
The sounds of the letters, that's one of the first steps in
learning how to read.
See you next time.
Bye.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mrs. Bissoon's YouTube channel. You don't want to miss the next episode.